guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to talk about Freewill, which is a personalized hair care brand. So before I move on talking about the brand itself and how they personalize the hair care products for you and their kit and etc., I want to let you know guys about my hair type. So my hair type is really damaged. I have really damaged and dry hair. This is because I use a lot of products on my hair. I use heat a lot on my hair, and I use styling products, styling machines and whatnot on my hair. Moreover, I've been getting highlights, hair color done, keratin, hair smoothing, a lot of chemical treatments done on my hair as well. So my hair type is that kind of hair which is very dry and brittle, and moreover during monsoon my hair gets really frizzy and unmanageable. So I try to use different products that work nicely for my hair, and I recently came across Freewill, which is actually a personalized hair care brand. So how do they actually personalize their hair care products according to you? So when you log in to their website, there is a questionnaire that you have to fill in. There are certain questions about your hair type, like what are your hair concerns, and a lot more other questions that are related to your hair type. So you have to go through that questionnaire, and they prepare a certain type of personalized hair care for your hair. So the base ingredients for every shampoo, conditioner and serum are the same for all the hair types, but they increase or decrease the concentration of the ingredients according to your hair type. I mean, if you have really dry hair, then your hair needs more of a certain ingredient, and if your hair is really oily and smooth already, then there are certain ingredients that you don't need that much. So the concentration of ingredients really varies. Moreover, they may add other additional ingredients which your hair requires, or decrease any ingredients that your hair doesn't require. So yeah, that's all about how they personalize their hair care products. Now let's talk about this hair care kit right here. So the hair care kit that I came across consists of a shampoo, conditioner and a serum. So these are the three main hair care products that your hair really needs. So I don't use serums that much, but I've used this serum like twice or thrice on my hair, and I like the way it works. So the serum is not actually personalized. The serum is basic for every hair care kit, and I think it's really good. The serum is quite thick in consistency, and I really like the way it worked on my hair. And I've used this twice or thrice on my hair because I don't really use that much serums on my hair. I rather use heat protectants or oils on my hair. I don't use that much of serums, but this particular serum works well, and there's nothing really different about this serum. It really works like a good hydrating serum. Now talking about the packaging and these two products, this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. So this is how the shampoo looks. I really like the packaging of the product. It's really sophisticated and really nice. Here's the brand name Freewill. Moreover, they also imprint your personal name on your bottle, which is a detail that I really liked, because this makes the entire personalized thing even more personalized. So I really like this small detail that they imprint your own name on the bottles. So you have your name on the conditioner bottle and on the shampoo bottle as well, which is really cute. Now talking about the shampoo, this is how the shampoo looks. I've used quite a lot of the shampoo. I've used almost half of it, and it's been 2 weeks I've been using this continuously. Like, I shampoo my hair twice or thrice in a week, and I've used this shampoo quite a lot. As you can see, the shampoo is quite runny. As you can see, the consistency of the shampoo is really runny, but this doesn't actually affect the way the shampoo works. I mean, it's really easy to work with, and it really lathers on nicely onto your hair. Moreover, this shampoo is not entirely chemical free. I mean, I think it's not chemical free because it has all chemicals in it. However, if you compare this particular shampoo to any shampoo in the market like Tresemme, Garnier, Pantene, those shampoos have chemicals in them, but whenever I use those shampoos, my hair really feels dried out and really frizzy. However, when I use this product, I didn't feel that much of dryness or frizziness on my hair. I mean, my hair really felt soft after washing it. I mean, when I apply the shampoo and rinse it off just to go and apply the conditioner, meanwhile my hair already feels quite smooth before applying conditioner. So I really like this shampoo because it makes my hair really manageable. I don't say that this is chemically free, but instead of having chemicals, the shampoo really didn't frizz out my hair or didn't make my hair feel dried out, which is something that I was really happy about this particular product. So this is something I really liked about this shampoo, that in spite of having a lot of chemicals in it, it didn't actually dry out my hair or my hair didn't feel frizzy in comparison to if I use any other shampoo in the market. So to give you better insights about this shampoo, I use this shampoo in different hair conditions, which means I use this shampoo when my hair was oily. I oiled my hair overnight and then I washed it the next day, and the oil came off really easily and it didn't dry out my hair. Because what happens whenever I need to wash off my hair, when I have oiled my hair a night prior, then I need to wash it off like twice or even thrice to make sure that the oil is nicely removed from my hair, so I don't feel that my hair looks oily or greasy. In the process of doing that, my hair really becomes very dry. I used this shampoo when I was having oil on my hair and my hair felt really soft. My hair was nicely washed and I didn't feel the minimum of greasiness left in my hair, and I washed my hair twice with it and my hair didn't feel dry at all, which is something I really liked and I was surprised about this shampoo. Now I also used this shampoo when I did not apply anything onto my hair. My hair was entirely like plain. I didn't have any hair product, any oil or nothing on my hair, so I washed my hair and only used the shampoo. I didn't use conditioner. So I thought my hair would actually become dry because I always use conditioner, but surprisingly my hair didn't feel dry at all. I didn't use the conditioner even, and my hair was really soft and manageable, which is something really shocking. I really wasn't expecting this from the shampoo, but it did happen and I was really surprised. So the next time I washed my hair when I didn't have anything on my hair, like no oil, no hair products or nothing, and I used it along the conditioner. My hair really feels soft and manageable. I really like the way both the products work together and I love it so much. My hair was feeling really soft and I was really easily able to detangle my hair without any breakage, which is something I really liked about both the products. So the shampoo works amazingly. I'm in love with the shampoo. The conditioner worked like any other conditioner. Like there was nothing special about this conditioner, but it actually made my hair super manageable like any other conditioner. So it's actually a great conditioner. And moreover, I absolutely love the color of the products. They are pink, which is so cute. I love everything that's pink, you guys already know. So I'm really happy about this purchase. I really loved how this worked on my hair. So it was actually a great experience trying out this particular personalized hair care brand, and it was really amazing, and I really liked the way they worked on my hair type, which is amazing. But the only thing I didn't like about this product is that you are actually paying around $16.50 or $18.50 for the kit, which is these two products and the serum itself, and you're paying so much of money for a 150 ml bottle for the conditioner and a 250 ml bottle of shampoo, and the serum is actually 30 ml. So you are paying around $16.50 or $18.50. I don't remember. I will put the price accordingly onto the screen. I think that the price is a little bit costly in comparison to the quantity we are getting, but other than that I really feel it's quite worth it because they really work nicely on your hair type. And after all, this is a personalized hair care regimen, so maybe because of the personalization it is a little bit costlier, because they do take in consideration your hair type, your hair needs and everything. So maybe that's because the price is a little bit higher, but I'm extremely happy with the products. I love the way they worked on my hair and I will be definitely purchasing them again. So yeah, with that being said, this is the end of the video. If you guys want to know more about the products and check out their products and take the hair assessment on their website, I will be leaving down their website in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.